Welcome sa ating year-end 2024 na Article and Design year-end virtual party. Yay! Clap naman dyan. Ayan na si Donna. She's back.
Hi,
All right.
guys.
So, yeah. So, our theme actually for today's year-end party is actually inspirations and stories. You know, so yun yung theme natin. So, mamaya malalaman nyo bakit. But, so, there's more to come later on. But, okay ka na, Dons?
Yes.
All right.
So, mali ata yung paglagay mo sa opening.
Kaya nga eh. Ayun, but anyways.
Some remarks.
Yeah. It's fine. No, it's fine. But thank you na umabot ka doon sa alam ko gabi na sa atin. But yeah,
Oo nga.
sige. Sakto lang. Once a year lang naman natin ginagawa.
Oo.
So, pagbigyan na natin. Diba? Ayun. So guys, yeah, recorded na ta. So without any further ado, no? Tawag na to, let's have Donna Faye. So she's one of our pioneering members sa Article Design community natin to give us the welcome and opening remarks as well as, of course, opening prayer na din. All right.
Yes.
Go, Donna.
All right. So welcome everyone to the virtual Christmas party. Woo! 2020, 2024. Wow. Who would have thought that, we started as like at first sila lang ni Kilo at ni Margaret, like 3 people, and then now we've reached like 2024, and we really never thought that like 2021 we did this, like 2022 we did this, and it was like super fun lang, and then we're now in 2024 and it's ending, parang kailan lang tayo nag one word inspiration ng last year, and then so congratulations to you all that we're still here, and no matter we're not we're not connected every single day, like we don't usually do the 6 a.m. anymore, but we're still solid. And then plus Isabel came in, and we've got new ones like Yuri, di ko makita.
Romel. Si Joe.
Romel. Welcome.
Sila Joe. Yeah.
Welcome to the virtual Christmas party. So,
Yay.
first time
Malilate pa yung iba.
thing.
Malilate pa daw.
Oo, sina Ed, wala pa din yung mga pioneer. Oo,
Yeah,
solid.
yeah.
Ayun, so welcome, and I hope that you've enjoyed as well in becoming a member of A&D group. And even though na wala si Margaret is not always in there, and even kami din na mga members, mga founding members, wala rin. But at least, you keep us together, like SAG, like super, like all the book clubs and everything, and even, Felix and everything that each member has contributed to getting, to helping each and everyone. So thank you guys, and cheers to more. To the next years to come. So, yun. I hope you're enjoying. And so, opening prayer na tayo. And yun nga sabi ni, before that, and yun nga sabi ni Margaret, it's all about inspirations today, life lessons to inspire. So, let's start it with a prayer. So,
Siya pa rin yun, guys. No, maos na si Donna, pero anuhin natin. Sasagad na natin.
Oo. Tingnan natin kung, ayun. Sige na nga, makapag-prayer na tayo. Okay. Di ako nag-sign of the cross. So, in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, Father God Almighty, thank you for today. Thank you that you've helped us overcome the challenges in 2024. Not everyone knows what we're going through, but I know each of one has challenges, and each one of us has obstacles, but you've helped us get through the end of this year. And thank you, Lord God, that each one of us are growing with wisdom, with the knowledge, and with the talent. And Lord, help us to just enable us to go and flow through and grow through and use our talents and skills in the next years to come, and so even our emotionally and financially. everything is covered. So we just lift it up all to you. Thank you, Lord Jesus. This all I pray in Jesus' mighty name. Yours is the kingdom, the power, the glory forever. Amen. Done.
Amen. O, diba? Thanks, Don, for a very powerful welcome remarks na nasa middle na.
So,
But it's okay, guys. I'm still happy na Donna made it. I know she's really busy these days. So si Donna, guys, nasa Sydney siya ngayon. So, we're like 8 hours away by car, pero never pa kami nakita. Hopefully, next year, makikita na kami. Kasi lagi din ako wala dito. Ayun. Yeah, so thank you so much, Donna. So without any further ado, guys, so kasi we've said, we have this ritual sa, yes, please, move na kayo. So we have this ritual sa ating art and design community, A&D community, every year nga, ginagawa namin to. And we help each other to create their one word na parang goal nyo or motto nyo for the whole year, yung magsaset ng whole year nyo as a freelancer. So, hindi ko nakuha yung listahan ng mga one words nung last year kasi wala si Rodora. Nag-family day siya. Nasa kanya yung listahan eh. So, kayo na lang kung naalala niyo yung one word nyo last year. So, please help yourself kasi ako naalala ko yung akin. Ganun. And naalala ko lang yung akin tsaka kay Ed. So to our new members here, I mean new participants sa year-end na to, so i-discuss lang namin quickly yung one word namin, tapos anong ginawa namin doon. Ano nangyari? Very quickly lang, guys, no? Like a 1-minute discussion. Because bakit? Para may preface kayo, ano ibig sabihin ng one word? Because later on, we will help each other to create your own one word na magsiset ng 2025 goals niya. Alright? So why don't we start sa akin? Since naalala ko yung akin. Okay. So, yung one word ko last year was, this year, 2024 was, I think, I know, it's health. It was health. Which is, ginawa ko talaga siya this year. Unfortunately, I had a lot of setbacks. Kaya nga, madalang yun lang ako nakikita sa community. Then I said na magiging inactive ako for a while because I had a spine injury. So nagkaroon ako ng spine disc injury. Like, as in literally, hindi ako masyado makaupo. Hindi ako makalakad more than 20 minutes. Hindi ako makatakbo, hindi ako maka-workout and everything. So it has limited me. So, yun yung finocus ko to have a rehab, which is like right now, nandito na ako. It's working. Yung rehab ko, hindi pa siya tapos, but it has gone different talaga from where I was before. So nag-work siya and finocus ko yung health ko. So expect na since gumagaling ako, expect na baka makikita niyo ako lagi. So I'm sorry. Magbabalik ako. Okay? So that was my one word last year, yung focus ko talaga health. Kasi as I've always told you, kung wala tayong health, wala tayong wealth. Okay? So, sayang yung pagpupuyat natin, sayang yung mga kinikita yung 6 digits dyan kung sira-sira din naman yung katawan niyo, diba? Ganon. Kaya, ang advice ko to everyone, tayo-tayo din. Okay? Tayo-tayo din kayo pag may time. Alright, so that was my one word. I have to focus sa health ko, which I did. So, thankfully, nag-work siya. And I'll continue to improve on that. And wala si Ed dito, as far as I could remember, growth yung kanyang one word. So, ako na lang magsasabi in behalf of Ed, no? I'm not sure if hahabol siya, pero sabi niya hahabol daw siya. So, ang one word ni Ed is growth. So, parang, and as far as I know, nag-grow nga talaga siya. Diba? Because he did his own like digital marketing agency. Hindi na lang siya developer, but nag-focus siya into expansion. So, meron na siyang tinatawag na Urix, which is an agency. So, yun, nag-grow nga talaga siya, guys. Diba? Oo. Ayan. Okay, next. Sinong next? Sino nakakaalala ng one word nila? Come on. Huwag na kayo mahiya. Felix, naalala mo?
Hindi.
Okay,
money that time.
Ayan. Okay, Sab. Naalala mo?
Hi, guys. So, I want to introduce myself lang din to the newbies. Hi, I'm Sab. I'm a writer. I work full-time na. Pero I was a freelancer before. So, I remember last year, my word was brave. Because for the past couple of years, I worked at the same job. And I was a freelance writer. So, I was I was writing the same old topics, ganyan. Tapos, outside of my work, I lived in the same place for literally my entire life, and I still live here sa Laguna. So I wanted 2024 to be all about, taking risks, like sa work, in my career, at the same time in my personal life. So, and I'm happy to say na-achieve ko naman yung word na yon for this year. I'll share more about it sa inspirational message ko. So, for 2025, I think my word would be, it's...
Advance na si Sab. Itabi mo mamaya. Mamaya na. Mamaya na yung 2025 mo. Mamaya na. Later. So, sino nakakaalala pa? Ivy, can you remember your one word?
I believe it was courage. Courage yung word ko.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, na-execute ko naman siya. I think you already know, I tried my best to share my stories, especially the very dark ones. I think you know that's what I'm talking. It was quite a risky move, but at least it kind of overcome ko siya. Di na ko medyo natatakot in some ways because that's my experience. I shouldn't invalidate it.
That's your truth, Good truth, kumbaga.
Yeah. So I'm quite happy na I pushed through. And for 2025,
mamaya na.
Sorry. Okay.
Excited.
Okay.
Mamaya na. Okay, who's next? Don, saalala mo sa'yo?
I think it was accountability.
Oh, yeah.
It was? Or growth? Yeah, it was which is good kasi, diba, like, when I was doing freelance back then, it was, yes, there was accountability between clients, but then here, literally mas na-hone ko talaga kasi, like, time is very important and you need to, like, be efficient, and then also, and meron din akong ibang job, meron din akong part-time job, so, to balance the client side and the part-time jobs, like literally needs to like be efficient in everything, which is so everything's like naka-Excel lahat no. Nasa utak ko, not Excel but Google Sheets because I'm not an Excel girl, but Google Sheets. So which is good because my accountability doon na part, and then every time na like I have this quarterly. I started actually in September. I have this quarterly spreadsheet like Q4, and then every task, like what's the big task for the day, and nilalagay ko lang and then what's the big task, and then done. Like simple as it is, and then even though I know na it's gonna happen, like this one I'm gonna go to work. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there, and then once I come back, like it's so nice for me to like put like done. Like it's like the delayed gratification because it's done like instant gratification. So yeah, accountability is what I achieved.
Yeah. So mamaya na in 2025 mo, okay?
Mamaya na, alam ko.
All right. So who's next? Who could remember pa? Okay, let's hear. Yeah. Who could remember their one word? Sino pa? Jet, can you remember yours?
Sige, ako na lang sunod.
Okay, go.
Yeah, for me, hello, I'm Jerome Estimada. Yun, matagal na ako din sa community. Noong March for start ito ng 6 a.m. club. Yung word na yun sa akin for last year is discover. Na-fulfill naman siya kasi marami akong na-discover sa mga sarili ko na kaya kong gawin. That's yun. At yun, mga lumabas sa comfort zone. That's yun, may bagong sa life. Yun, bagong chapter. Yun, tuloy-tuloy. Saka, yun, yung susunod kong word is para magko-complement dito sa yung dati kong word na discover. So, I'm excited for the next year or word ko.
Very good. Yeah, guys, let's have a round of applause. Kinasal na si Jerome last month. Congratulations, Jerome.
Yeah, thank you. Ayun, yun lang po sa akin.
Yeah, so later on, in 2025 mo. Okay, who's next? Jules, could you remember yours?
Hi, can you hear me? Yes.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay,
yeah.
hi. I can remember mine. It was clarity. Yeah. Like the year before that, it was direction, and then it was clarity for this year. Yeah, I think insofar I've gained clarity in like many areas of my life, like when it comes to like relationships, how much I've changed throughout the years, like the roles I have to fulfill like within the family. And then right now it kind of seems like there's lack of clarity because I feel, I don't know, somewhat ignorant to um what I've been clear on about and what I learned so far from this year. But I can tell for sure, like just within me, I've gained a lot of clarity, like in terms of, how should I say this? Differentiate what I want for myself and like what some other people want for me. So yeah. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I'm Jules. I've been here also since 2020. Hi.
Yeah, hindi din pala ako nakapag-introduce guys to our new one, si Jane and Remuel, Remu, whatever. Remu.
Amen.
Remuel, ayan. So to Jane and Remuel, I'm Margaret pala. So I'm the owner and founder of Article Design. Ayun. So that's it. Okay, yun lang. What else? So, sino pa? May naka-remember pa ba? Kilo, you're here. Welcome back. Kilo, can you hear us?
Yes.
Nang bibiyahe si
Yes.
Kilo. Ayan, nasa
Hindi,
biyahe
okay
ka
na.
pa? Ah,
Sa
yan
bahay
na.
na.
Alright, could you remember your one word last year?
No, di ko maalala.
It's okay.
Wala na. Kalimutan ko.
Wala kasi si Rodora. Siya yung may listahan. Oo. So anyway, don't worry. Just prepare your one word for next year na lang. Okay?
Yes.
Sure, guys. Pakilala ka na lang sandali, Kilo. Introduce
Ooh.
yourself. Whatever, gano'n ka nakitigal sa community. Ganun. Kasi
Yes.
may bago tayo dito.
Yes, so good evening everyone. I'm Kilo Serrano. I'm independent business owner of photography services. Yes, registered na po ako. Hey.
Yay.
And I'm already part of the community since 2020 rin. Yes. Ayun
Yeah.
lang.
So Kilo is one of our pioneering members. Si Kilo, si Jerome ata. Oo. So kami lang dati. Tsaka yung dati kong business partner. So kami yung nauna. So guys, yung mga bago dito, Remuel and Jane, if you want to know more about Kilo or sa mga nandito, nandun sa podcast natin yung mga stories nila. Oo. Andun din si Donna. And sila Ed. Ganun. Si Felix din. So yeah. Yun na yung one word. So sa mga hindi nakaalala, prepare na lang kayo for your 2025 one word later. Alright? So, napagod na ako. Parang gusto ko na mag-chillax. Ayun. So guys, our next na gagawin is let's welcome Felix to give us some entertainment para makapahinga tayo because after that is wala si Leo ngayon, hahabol siya. Sab, you'd go first for your inspirational stories and life lessons. Okay? So ikaw mauuna, Sab, after ni Felix. Alright,
Okay.
Felix, so take it away. Entertain us.
Di ba dalawa ko yung mag-entertain doon, no?
Ikaw muna. Namamao siya.
Yun nga, kasi dahil special tong araw na to, nag-invite tayo ng mga guest, no? So, na-record na lang namin kasi masyado silang busy. Okay, so share screen ko na lang, ha?
Wow! Grabe.
Galing.
Ang galing. Oh, guys, let's give Felix a round of applause. Ang galing. Tapos ang ang
One take
clear ng
lang kami
recording,
kasi, one
Aha.
take lang kami kasi may lakad.
Yun nga, may gig pa sila, di ba? Oo. So,
Padala
thank you. Thank you so much, Kala Lily, for dropping by. So,
Wow, special guest.
diba? Nag-reunion talaga sila, guys. Di ba Lily na lang yung pangalan nila ngayon?
May balik daw sabi. Palitan na yung
Oo.
title. Pakibalik na.
Diba? So thank you so much, Felix. That's very creative na So may idea na tayo next time, guys, sa ating mga intermission number. Diba? So ikakabit ko din siguro sa sunod yung piano ko. Sige. I-invite ko sino ba? Ayun. Anyway, so thank you so much, Felix. Baka may isa ka pa dyan. Pwede mong i-prepare ulit mamaya. Kasi namamao si Donna. But anyways, so everyone, if you want to share your talent, because this is a chill night, so no judgment dito, guys. This is an open mic, kumbaga. So everyone can give an intermission number. Pwede kayong mag-poetry reading tulad ng ginagawa namin dati. Pwede kayong mag-share lang ng whatever creative, okay? Na gusto niyo kumanta, sumayaw, ewan ko sa inyo. Alright? So, yeah. So, feel free to share. Good. Yan ang gusto ko kay Felix, no? Laging maasahan. Ayun. So, guys, thank you so much, Felix, sa pag-break ng ice. Kasi ngayon, let's start with our life stories and inspirations for our kapwa freelancers. So, let's start with Isabel or Sap. Go, Sap.
Yeah. So, thanks, Margaret. And I'm really excited to share you guys my inspirational message or life story. So, okay. A year ago,
Kukuha na akong tissue muna. Wait. Joke lang.
Okay, start. A year ago, I took the biggest leap of my life by quitting my freelancing career to explore the corporate life in Manila. Well, technically, I was let go by my old employer after almost 3 years of working with them. And I admit, I was taken aback and I was worried about my future. However, a part of me was also relieved and excited to welcome a new journey in life. So, in January 2024, I was lucky to get hired at a startup luxury travel agency formerly based in Makati. It was my first on-site and full-time job after 4 years. For 3 months, I romanticized my commute to and from the office. But eventually, I was starting to feel dull and stagnant in that job, and I found the commute even more exhausting than the job itself. So without any clear plan, I quit that job after 3 months, and a month later, I accepted a part-time hybrid position as a content writer for an IT solutions company based in Ortigas. Long story short, I hated that job too. And after 2 months, I got terminated. And the next 3 or 4 months felt like a blur. During those months, I was unemployed, broke, and overall lost. I found myself at one of the lowest points in life. And that's when I reached out to Margaret. And the rest is history. And fast forward to now, I am working remotely or from home again, with flexible working hours, with a vibrant team, stable salary, great benefits, and at one of the top digital marketing agencies in the Philippines. So, there are so many valuable lessons that I learned this year. But let me narrow it down to 3 important lessons. Number 1, take risks. Because life is too short to stay in one job or one place for the rest of your life. We might fail in the end, but failing is way better than not trying at all. Number 2, seek discomfort. Growth and comfort do not coexist. So if you ever feel discomfort or challenged, it means you are not growing. It means you are growing. It means you are growing, so embrace it. And last but not the least is to stay true to yourself. So know your values, your goals, your interests, so that you can find a company, a community, and a calling that aligns with yours. That's all. Thank you.
See, guys, very inspirational, no? So, quick lang, takeaway ko dun kay Sab is she was at her very lowest point in life niya this year, which every one of us probably could relate to, because I myself, I was probably second to the lowest point of my life this year. And
Yeah.
so, yeah, so she pushed through. And I would just like to clarify then, guys, I didn't give her yung solution sa problem niya, okay? When
Yes,
she
yeah,
said na she
Mhm.
talked to me, she reached out to me. Hindi ako yung nagbigay ng ano sa
Oo.
kanya, ng anything. I just helped her navigate.
Yes.
Yung mga ano niya.
Clarify lang.
Yeah, it was hers. Okay? Siya talaga yon yung nag-navigate nung lahat nun. So I just gave her, kumbaga, a guide lang. Ganun lang. So, siya pa rin talaga yun, guys. So, naging ano lang ako. Naging, ano ba tawag yan? Hindi ko alam. Siguro nag-push lang sa kanya na, hey, she can still,
Yes.
yeah, she can do something or she could have clarity sa ano niyang gagawin. Okay? So, hindi ako nagbigay ng pera, hindi ako ng trabaho. Wala. Siya lahat yun, guys. So,
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you, Sab. Because
Thank you, guys.
you turn it around talaga.
Oo.
As in, you turn it around. You flip the coin by yourself. So, I'm so proud sa mga ganun na tao. I just gave the guide and siya na.
Yes.
Ginapang na niya, guys. Okay, so congratulations, Sab, and keep at it. At least, diba, it's a very worth, valuable lesson na matutunan natin. Sometimes you have to be down for us to go up.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. So, next is, of course, it's not exactly an inspirational daw, kasi sabi ni Jules, nahihiya siya for an inspirational, but it is one of the lessons that he learned this year. So, Jules, what was it?
Hi. Wow. Good. First of all, proud of you, Isabel. It kind of,
Thank you.
I was kind of unaware how, or like what you were like going through this year, since I also know you from another club. Anyway, and I don't exactly know how to follow that, since I don't exactly have much prepared, but I have written something earlier. Perhaps like one of the biggest lessons, like work wise, that I've learned this year, it's not exactly inspirational. It's more on, I guess, practical advice, but it's more on like a big problem that I've had this year was me realizing that there's little you can do as an independent contractor. When, like, for me, I was writing for clients under an agency. I had clients that I had little to no complications with. And then I also had clients that make you question if the effort that you're going to put in is worth it. I had clients that, so in my line of work, there's me, the writer, and then there's the editor, who is the sales editorial head, and then there's the sales associate, and then there's the client. I don't have any direct contact with the client, but I do have direct contact with the editor, who's my boss. And there would be times when the client brief posted on the Monday board, because that's the project management app that we're using, would not be clear. And then, but when I read the details provided by the client, would be clear to me what they're looking for. And then there would be tasks where it's like what the client wants to see from the draft is totally up to you, or just like a big mishap from the part of the sales associate who's in charge of contacting the client, where the client site is nowhere to be found, but they're asking me to write about the products they're selling and promoting. So I guess to follow that, I guess like there's three things again, like to like narrow it down. I guess it's one, it's important to speak up for yourself and like be able to, if you have all the knowledge and if you have access to all the files that the clients wants to see from whatever they're asking you to do, if you're working as an independent contractor, and then you know for sure, like for me, I'm tied to an agency and then I don't have direct contact with the client. It's important for you to be able to exercise your authority if you know better. And then two, it's also important to be on the same page, so you wouldn't experience as much as delays and problems along the line in fulfilling this task. And then three, My agency, or like my editor, as much as there would be tasks, like I said earlier, that there would be clients that make me question if the effort that I'm putting in is worth it. They make the job feel like hell. And then my editor said, this was my previous editor. She said, the client is always right, with like a smiley, which I know she meant sarcastically, because I know for my part, I was doing my job. The editor also also knew I was doing my job. But like, for the client, this is not what we're asking for, even though this is exactly what you paid the agency to do, which tasked me to write. And then, so like for the third, I guess sometimes you can just screw it, and then let go and let God. So yeah, I think that's all for me. That's not exactly, I would say, inspirational, but yeah, you live and learn. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, it's still inspirational because it's like part of growing.
Yes,
Diba?
I suppose.
Yeah, it's part of growing. So I suppose, Jules, that you've learned a lot from Isabel's journey. So kasi
Yes,
pareho kayong writer din.
Yes, yes.
So I hope you could make sense of it, yung story niya, because it's very inspiring. I'm super proud of her because I told her, you come back to me, so I anong progress mo. And then, yeah, she came back, talaga, like she turned it around. So, which is really good. Ayun. Anyway, so thank you so much for that, Jules. And I think it's like teething problems mostly sa agency, if I'm not mistaken, yung mga ganun. It's like, right, Dons, I'm pretty sure you're very familiar sa mga ganun ng problema. Like, especially dealing with agencies, yung mga, editors, whatever. So, yeah, live and learn. I mean, learn and let go. For sure. And tapos lang, don't make the same mistake if ever, man. Because it's gonna be you've learned from it. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing, Jules, and I'm looking forward to next year mo. We'll keep in touch, and yeah, guys, Jules, Sab, and I, and Ivy and Felix are members. Even Kilo are members of a different book club. A book club. Then later on, we can plug it if you want to join us. We have a book club if gusto nyo magbasa uli. So yeah, we're members there as well. All right. So nandito pa ba yung ating mga new participants, sila Remuel and Jane? Say hi if nandito pa sila. So nandito pa kayo? Narinig niyo kami. So Remuel or Jane, if you guys want to share your life stories or something inspirational, or kahit sa work nyo lang, if you want to share a piece of advice dito, just let us know. You're welcome to share with us. Okay? All right. So up next is, after Jules, let's go to Joe. Hey, Joe. Dito ba si Joe o nasa kotse pa siya?
Nasa biyahe pa kami. I don't know how.
Okay. So do you want to have your story later part?
Yeah, maybe later na lang.
Sige. Later na lang para mas makabiyahe ka na maayos. Okay? So up next, I think we could start with Jerome. Jerome, can you do your inspirational stories ngayon? Nandito ba si Jerome? Or nawala siya?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Jerome, are you ready to share your life stories, inspirations for 2024?
Yeah, sure. Again.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Yun, sharing my life stories and wisdom this year, and for this year, 2024. From the word na ginamit ko is yung discover. Marami ako na-discover sa sarili ko. At kung mapapansin nyo, hindi man lang ako PA or freelancer sa ngayon, pero I have discovered the power of connection to other people, na yan, sila Marge, sila Kilo, sila Jules, na magkakaiba ng industry, na for some reason nagkaroon ng sparks over the other or mga ginagawa. So yun, magandang wisdom to enact this upcoming 2025 is connect to each other. Kahit hindi tayo magkakaparehas ng ginagawa, pero we have a common goal or yung target sa buhay natin, which is lahat naman tayo is for sure may mga ina-aspire at life. And yun nga, I'm very grateful to this community na nakilala ko sila Marge, na nakakapag-share kami ng life stories, na ito yung parang pinaka-safe zone or safe space for everyone. So don't hesitate to share or magkwento or mag-rant. Yun na something na pwedeng maka-offload ng yung mga dalahin sa buhay. Yun. And be kind to each another, or to one another pala. Ayun, dahil hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan natin sa isa't isa. So, be a lending ear to each other or to this community. Yun yung magagawa rin powerful gesture magawa sa isa't isa as an online friend. And yun, to take note na kasi during pandemic, yung nabuo tong group na to, hindi masyadong spec or hindi pa ako masyadong sa notion ng mga online friend. Pero once, yung ngayon, yung na-experience ko na nakilala ko sila Marge, na sila Donna, na hindi pa kami nag-meet talaga in person, pero in online, talagang kala mo is parang mga magbe-best friend or kung makapag-share ng one to another ng mga life stories is mapapansin nyo na parang mga close na ba kayo or something ng dito, pero nagkakilala kami during pandemic times. So yun nga, a powerful word is connect. So yun yung word ko for this 2025, since yung discover ko na yung mga potential. So why not connect to each other and share your blessing or mga technicalities kung saan ka magaling. Kasi at the end of each goal, lahat naman is we have something to share, something. Kasi hindi naman lahat tayo is master of all. So why not let's help each other to go this 2025. And that ito ng aking words of wisdom. Parang kitong-kita na.
Iba na talaga pag bagong kasal, mas mandami ng words of wisdom.
Yes.
Yes, guys. I agree din sa sinabi ni Je. Like, we have built this, I don't know, what do you call this, like rapport na to each other. Now we can just freely vent out, especially work problems, work issues. We can just, minsan lang magdo-drop lang ng kung ano sila Donna sa akin, like voice notes na whatever, and then or si Ed mag-share lang ng whatever, like randomly, alam niya yun, in the middle of like, naglalakad ako sa Cambodia last time, kung ano mga pinagsasabi nila, alam mo yung ganon, share like mga lessons nila sa life nila. So that is, actually, you can't really find that every day, to be honest. Kahit sa physical na mga friends nyo, when friends nyo in person, hindi nyo yan madalas na mahanap Kasi sabi nila yung friendship is like magic, diba? So, hindi siya pinipilit, hindi din siya, nangyayari lang talaga siya. And yeah, that's what happened to us. Like, we haven't seen each other ever, diba? Like, I think si Kilo lang si Donna nakita. And then si Felix and Kilo, I think.
On behalf of everyone.
Exactly. And we've never seen each other, but yung camaraderie na build natin is really stronger than sa kakilala mo pa. So I'm thankful, tama si Jerome, thankful for that. And as I've mentioned, every now and then, this is a safe place, no judgment. Kahit ano po kayo, a religion nyo, whatever, struggles this life, backstory nyo, I don't care. Okay? So we don't care as long as we're here to, help each other and of course, maging inspiration to each other. That's always the goal. First thing pa lang talaga, diba? Right, Kilo? All right. So, sige guys, let's move on before we go to our trivia. Baka pwede siguro si Felix mag-share na ng life story niya. Ready ka na ba, Felix? Always ready yan, basta si Felix.
Yeah, well, as a freelancer, diba? Dahil makakalimutin nyo na dahil sa puyat. Yeah, sa akin naman for this year, nakita ko yung value ko, meron pa pala siyang value pa. So, ayun. Tapos from there, nadala ko yung anak ko. He's also a freelancer now, si Mark, yung panganay ko. He's a full stack developer. So, nakatutok kaming dalawa ngayon into hard coding na talaga. So yun, I have 2 clients now na e-commerce. Yeah. So yeah, may mga ups and downs sa freelancing. May mga time na magugulat ka, oops, nawala si client. Yay! Pero yun, basta sanay ka na kasi for more than 5 years sa ganito. Nung una, syempre, masakit pagka nawalan ka ng biglang ng client, ng source of income kasi ito lang yung bread and butter natin. Pero, isa lang natutunan ko sa buhay na to. Whatever you do, whatever you think, at saka whatever you put on your mind, in your heart, ikaw yun. That will be the result of what you are manifesting. So, kung may problema, tapos kaya mong harapin yung problema, masasanay ka na lang ang nakikita mo palagi, hindi na yung problema, yung solution from time to time. So, I've been, parang binalikan ko yung past ko na ano ko dati and what I am now. I just figured out dahil sa na-influence ako nyo at saka ni Miss Margaret yung mga tawag nito, yung hindi ako palabasa pero palakinig ako. Mas lalo na yung sa mga motivational at saka yung talk. Kasi dati pag nakikinig ako ng mga I'm 47. So pag kami naririnig akong voice lang, walang action, para akong nakikinig sa radyo. So I feel sleepy. Sa totoo lang. So yung podcast, so kailangan kong i-train yung sarili ko makinig ng ganun. So while I'm sleeping, nakikinig talaga ako ng mga ganyan, mga motivational. Oo. Malaking tulong yung mindset sa lahat ng ng struggle mo na sinasabi ng problema. So I figured out I have my depression yung mga past few years kasi hindi ako marunong magsala ng sarili ko. So it will reflect pala yun sa'yo. So but if you know how to look at yourself on present time, yung present situation sa buhay mo, and you find solution. Kasi naging question ko sa sarili ko, bakit yung ibang tao natutulungan ko, especially mga clients, bakit pag ako na may problema, hindi ko na matulungan yung sarili ko? Bakit ako iiyak, di ba? So why do I have to stop? So bakit hindi ko gamitin yung like Margaret said, malalaman mo na tama yung ginagawa mo. For example, kung effective ba itong ginagawa ko, Margaret, na mag-grow ako. Sabi niya, pag tanda ko yun sabi niya, pag nagbago yung estado mo sa buhay, or what you are, parang ano mo sa buhay, effective yung ginagawa mo, Felix. So, tinandaan ko yun. So, every time na may problema ako, merong ganitong sitwasyon, tinitingnan ko, ako ba mag-stay dito sa problema na to o mababago ko to? Kasi pag nabago ko to, ibig sabihin, effective yung ginagawa ko. Kahit napakaliit lang na na portion, or parang, alam mo yung parang yung bukas ng pintong pagkaliit-liit, yung maliit na ilaw na yun yung kumbaga parang, ayun yun, nandun yung pintuan, so yun yung target ko. So focus lang, tapos identify nyo lang kung ano yung problem. One at a time. Hindi natin kakayanin lahat yan. So yun yung natutunan ko, and then I know now how to control myself. So yun, one at a time lang talaga. Salamat. Sana may natutunan.
Yay! Thanks for sharing, Felix. Oo. Guys, feeling ko naman napakatanda ko na sa
Nice.
natutunan ni sinabi ni Margaret ganito ni ako na talaga. But anyways, I'm happy to know na may silbi naman pala yung pwedeng sasabi ko, no? Ayun. So, yeah. Anyway, before we proceed, medyo nagkakaseryosohan na tayo, no? I-break naman na natin yung ice. So, maglalaro tayo. Okay? Maglalaro tayo. Nabubulol ako. Maglalaro tayo ng a little trivia. Tawag na to? May cash prize naman siya kahit konti. So yung may pinakamaraming sigot, so siya yung kukuha ng pot money. So, I think ang pot money, ang nag-donate sa atin si Kala Lily. Okay. Sabi ni Kala Lily, may ibibigay daw siyang 1,000 pesos yung pot money. So, yung may pinakamaraming answer, yun yung mananalo. That's it for trivia. Alis na ako. Bye.
Wait lang, pwede ba ulit?
Hindi na.
Maglaro na lang.
Anyway, so thank you so much sa ating trivia na pakulo. So let's go back to our mga life stories. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Icebreaker lang yun, So let's go sa ating next na mag-share. Yes?
Si Jane.
Oh yeah. Jane, do you want to share life stories and inspiration na natutunan mo sa 2024 that we all could pick up?
Hindi ako prepared.
Sige, if you want to share anything, you could share mamaya if you want lang, ha? So let's go muna kay Kilo. Kilo, are you ready?
I think. Wow.
Yes. Ready yan, basta si Kilo. Independent business owner na yan diba?
Yeah.
Kilo.
Sige.
Alright. Sige, go, Kilo.
Good evening, everyone. So, medyo pakwento lang to, no? Bali, I think for the last year, for the whole 2024, I really learned a lot, especially more on establishing a business. Ganyan. And very roller coaster siya kasi it took me at least parang 10 months na ata to really make it work. Yung papers and all, ganyan. So usually, di ba, mabilis lang yun, I think a month or 3 lang. Pero it took me a long time kasi I'm really, exploring and ang dami kong ibang iniisip while doing the registration process. And pero with, naman siya, parang within those processes, I think, reiterate ko yung nabanggit kanina, yung discomfort will lead you to grow. Ganyan. Kasi, since it's my first time to do it, ang dami ring first time extra factors yung nangyari. Like, sa graphic design gig ko, I got my first ever billboard, ganyan. So, nakapagpa-billboard na ako. Wow, alam mo naman, kinayaman. Hindi pa. Sa may gateway lang, ganyan. Papuntang Resorts World. Yan.
Wow.
Tapos, ayun. So, isa yun. Tapos, I think another is nakapag-podcast ulit with Margaret. So, yes, may YouTube video na naman. Also, within sa yung sa registration, kaya siya natagalan, is mayroong akong isang event na parang sinagad ko yung sarili ko, ganyan. So, hindi ko nalaman or hindi ko na-value yung self-worth ko or value of my craft. So, nagkasakit ako ganyan. As in, hindi ko makasikaso yung pagtuloy ng register ng business. So, parang nade-delay siya. Dahil may sakit ako, di ako makagalaw, makalabas ng bahay. So, another factor, though, mukha siyang cliche, no? Na talagang have your self-worth. Kasi, you have what it takes. And, nakakatuwa lang na maraming tao na yung affirm na okay naman talaga. I can do the things I need to do. Pero, masyado pa rin ako mabait to my, to my clients, or at least yung treatment, parang na-abuse ko na yung sarili ko. So, hopefully, ito na as registered business na talaga, I can really manage or control really that I am a business owner. I am now handling a business, not a charity. Ayan. So, know your limits, value yourself, and pursige lang, huwag titigan, never give up. Yeah. Yun. Yes.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Kilo, no? So I just would like to share na super proud of Kilo. We've been together since together talaga no. We've been, yeah, why not? Joke.
Yeah.
So we've been together since like 2020 na magkakilala
Mga
kami.
ages ago na, ano?
Diba? Oo. Tapos, na-interview ko siya sa Super Freelancer course pa noon. Na-interview ko din siya sa podcast first. Nagsisimula pa lang siya. He doesn't even know what pa to pursue. Then, hanggang sa yung final catch-up namin, sabi niya, he was like, happy to share na na-register niya yung business niya and everything. Nakapag-gig na siya with like yung may mga names sa industry sa Philippines. So nakikilala na siya eventually. So yeah, you just have to start with something, guys. So magsimula ka lang talaga and you value yourself na kaya mo. Oo. So maganda yung sinishare niya na growth. Nandun siya. There's discomfort. You have to embrace it. And then lahat, diba? Like, tingnan nyo ngayon, no? Saan na kayo ngayon? Anong inabot nyo? Diba? Like, Don, nasa Sydney si Donna, diba? Ano ba yung gano'n?
Tinanong kita, tourist visa ba? Student visa.
Oo, diba? Right? So, dati-dati lang, parang nagreklamo siya kasi, parang may problema yung internet, yung mga ganun-ganon, diba? So, yeah. So, look how far, yung sabi nga nila, malayo pa, pero parang malayo na. Yung gano'n. Yeah. Sabi nila. So, ganun. So, thank you so much for sharing, Kilo. So, up next, so I think ready si Ivy. Ivy, can you share something? You'd like to share something? Or jump tayo kay Joe? Andiyan pa si Ivy?
Oh, Ivy.
Yan.
Ivy. Inspirational to. I just wrote it 30 minutes ago.
No problem. Anything na sinishare mo talaga is, gusto namin. Okay, go.
Okay. So, ngayon ko lang nabasa. Pilipino naman tayo lahat dito, di ba?
No, mate. No.
Okay. No.
Sige, go.
Okay, so, si Margaret nag-message sa akin. So, ngayon ko lang nabasa. I've been out of social media lately kasi nag-busy ako sa funeral. And I got a cold. So, pasensya sa boses ko if it bothers you anyway. So, I appreciate the patience while you're listening. Okay, so, yung tanong sa akin ni Margaret is, as a profession, as a pharmacist, my struggles, and yung na-juggle ko, how I can juggle as a creative. And, ang sasabi ko is, being a full-time pharmacist is already a tough job. Especially working in a retail setting. And I'm an all-rounder, multitasker. Lahat-lahat na kasi paminsan is short-staffed. That's the main problem here in the Philippines. I think you all know what the issue when it comes to healthcare profession these days. So, yun. So, despite of that, I do my best to execute the tasks that I am given. And I'm quite appreciate yung journey ko with you guys. If anyone, I forgot to introduce my name. So, I'm Ivy. Hi. I've been in this community since 2021. So, I've learned a lot when it comes to freelancing, and I applied it in my profession in the healthcare industry as a pharmacist, which is malaking tulong naman. And I can happily say I improved some sales in my branch, which is very, very, very good improvement. Yun. And then, yung downside lang is, I'm more focused on this job. I cannot execute with my creative side. Yun yung problem ko. But just recently, I just opened my emails and I saw an email a lot of emails from my website. I don't know if it's working, but I think it's working since I've been receiving messages that they appreciate my artworks doon. I used to work with 3D and graphic designs doon. And I gave it a thought na, baka I should go back doing it since I'm already good at that. And kulang lang ako sa self-confidence. I admit, kulang lang talaga ako sa self-confidence. So, in my quote, so it's often the small steps, not the giant leaps that brings about the most lasting change. It's more about the building healthy habits that could benefit one's growth. So, ayun, I tried executing some small steps like going back reading a book. Baka may makunang akong creativity doon using my imagination and probably some applicable knowledge when it comes to my background or even sa everyday lives natin. And then drawing back to my drawing board, doing some brainstorming and writing down some journals and other things like improving my vocabulary since yun yung nag-comment sa akin back in the book club when we had the first meeting. I got a little mixed up with Tagalog. I forgot pala meron palang international pala na mga international guests pala doon. And then all of those is super challenging, but at the same time focusing on my work in the pharmacy. All of this is like small steps for me in preparation for what I can do for next year. It may be very like 1% one at a time, but at least there's a compounding effect naman. So I hope everyone have their own ideas on what they can do, what they need to prepare for the coming 2025. So I hope you have some bucket lists na nagawa nyo na, or if wala pa, then I hope you do by 31 by the end of this month. So yun lang po, good luck na lang sa paggawa ng New Year's resolution nyo.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ivy. So yeah, super proud of Ivy din, guys, no? Because she's like a registered pharmacist siya sa Philippines, but she continues to delve sa kanyang creative side, and she continues to be as much as she can active sa ating community, and she's actually part of our book club, diba? So member din siya doon. So I'm happy na I'm seeing familiar faces din doon sa book club na ginagawa namin. So super thankful, Ivy, for managing your time very well. And wag mo, just take your pace. Yung creativity, hindi siya mawawala eh. Lagi yan siyang inanak ka yan eh. Hahabulin ka yan eh. It will haunt you. So hindi mo siya pwede talikuran, to be honest. So hanapin at hahanapin ka niya. So wag mo siyang, don't run away from it. Okay? But take your pace. Prioritization, priorities mo, and then take your pace. Okay? So we're here for you, as you know. Thank you for sharing your most vulnerable din namang stories sa life mo. As I've said, this is a no judgments space and community. Everyone is accepted and welcome here. So we're rooting for you, Ivy, and thank you so much for being part of this community. Okay, so I think ready na si Joe, guys, no? Kasi may 1,000 pesos na siya eh. So ready na siya mag-share. Diba? Joe, ready ka na? Wala na siya.
Hello.
Ayan.
Talaga, no? Pag wala ng mga pera.
Pag walang pera eh. Hindi na sumagot. Joke lang. Sige, Joe, ready ka na?
Dumating na kasi kami sa destination. Sayang. Sige, wait lang. Papauna ko lang itong mga kasama ko. Charis!
Alright, good. Yeah. So after Joe, maybe Donna could share, na? Dance? Yes. Share some life stories and lessons na pwede niyang matutunan. And then we'll have some, like, another break, guys, intermission number to be, perform to us I'm not sure if parokya ni Edgar ba uli ngayon. Let's see. All right. So Joel, whenever you're ready, so, and then guys, I just prepare for your one word. Quick lang mamaya. Just let's quickly discuss our one word for 2025 and bakit. And yeah, please i-save nyo siya para next year. Alam nyo na, okay? All right, Joe, when you're ready, just lang. Mag-wrap ka lang.
Alright, sige. I'm ready na.
Good. Sige,
talaga, nakaka-inspire talaga yung manalo ka sa mga premium, no? So, alright. Share ko lang a quick story before ako nag-freelance. Hindi talaga ako freelancing kasi kumukuha ko ng mga 4 to 8 hours. So before, nasa field work talaga ako. Tapos, since yung course ko is hindi talaga siya related. So medyo struggle siya at first. So I need to study until So, ayun, mga pag-transition ko sa freelancing na mga ilang months pa siguro bago ako nakakuha ng hindi siya first client kasi unpaid naman siya. So, mga internship siguro. So, kumukuha ako ng internship, tapos, some gig, siguro na mura lang siya talaga, na just for the sake na may portfolio ako. And then, so, later on, sorry, prepare ko kasi itong story ko kanina na medyo na busy. So, I think nag-transition ako fully last 2022, and then 2023 yung pinaka-struggle. And then, here comes the 2024. So, ano ba nangyari sa 2024 ko? Nakakuha ko ng 2 clients at the same time, parang part-time lang. Tapos, parang nag-siargao ako noon, mga March. Tapos, ayun, nawala yung parang nawala din yung clients after. And then, I studied again, at parang nakakuha ako sa Coursera ng free course yata ng digital marketing. So, ayun. After 4 months, I think 4 months ako nag-study na. Hindi ako naghanap ng client, hindi ako nag-apply. So, tinapos ko talaga siya. Digital marketing and e-commerce. So, after nun, I prayed so much na sana may makuha ako. And then, luckily, parang natap ako kasama namin ni Kuya Felix sa intern niya na group. Tapos, ayun, natap ako sa parang agency ata siya. Hindi siya typical na agency, pero agency siya. So, ayun, guys. Chika ko lang. So, ang reason ko talaga before na mag-transition is just in case na magkaroon ng baby kami ng asawa ko. Maging ready na ako, and then here comes the 2024 talaga. So ayun, hindi ko alam na nabuntis ako. Tapos yeah.
Congratulations!
Yeah, thank you. So ayun, so 2024 parang na talaga siya yung aim ko before na mag-transition sa freelancing. So parang ilang weeks ata na-hire din ako ni client na since July until now, sa kanya pa rin ako nag-work. So, ayun. And then, ang parang mabibigay ko lang ng mga lessons or motivations is number 1, never stop learning talaga. Yan talaga yung nakuha ko motivation since I graduated sa college. And then, yeah. So, never stop learning, learn. Kung hindi mo man kung may ginawa ka sa freelancing mo na feeling mo hindi siya nag-work, so keep learning and then keep changing your strategies. And then second is, prepare ko siya kanina, nakalimutan ko.
It's okay. Yeah, you've shared quite a lot. Then of course, you're expecting, so congratulations on that, no?
Yeah, thank you so much. So, pwede i-chat ko na lang mamaya pag
Yes, please. Pag naalala mo. But thank you so much, Yul, for for being here, and thank you for sharing your milestones sa life mo. And look, yung sinabi niya kanina, dun ako na shock. 4 months hindi siya kumuha ng kliyente, prepare niya mo na yung self niya to learn. Like, not everyone would be as patient as that. Diba? Kasi yung iba, 2 weeks lang, nanonood sila ng YouTube, feeling nila ang galing-galing na nilang social media manager, diba? So, yeah, so that is, 4 months is still matagal siya na hindi ka kumuha ng client, to be honest. Diba? So, congratulations, Jero, and congratulations as well sa bundle of joy na ina-expect niya ni hubby mo. So, thank you for sharing sa amin, and thank you for being part of this community. Okay, so please continue. Baka manalo ka pa ng mga ibang raffle next time. Diba? All right. So, yeah. So, let's go kay Donna. Dons, what's your life story or life lessons, kumbaga, ngayong 2024 na pwede kaming Sige, go. May tanong daw sila.
At saka
Yes.
kay Jerome, paano kayo pumayat? Siguro, ano niyo mamaya?
Mamaya,
Magpakasal
sekreto.
daw.
Kahit
Kuya Felix,
walang
magpakasal.
Pakasal uli. Pakasal uli.
Oo. May matinding secret.
May question ka, Ivy? May question ka, Ivy? I think, Ivy, I think you raised your hand kanina. Do you have a question? Nothing. All right. Yeah. So, yeah, sasagutin daw ni Jerome yan mamaya, Felix, huwag ko mag-alala. Yeah, trivia niya, fun fact. All right, Don, do you would like to share your
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Ayun, so like as you know, like I was a freelancer to everyone who's new. Ayan, I've started freelance writing before AI came. So it's around 2017. I started as an SEO writer, then I transferred here. And of course, like as an international student, there are restrictions sa ibang Pinoy dito. Sobrang nahirapan maghanap ng jobs kasi like the restrictions and the employers aren't like whatever. So and also and then also like even though my clients, I still want to like experience the culture and so I still like but I also wanted to like share with people na the virtual, so I created the Virtual Assistant Academy. I launched it like in the early part, February. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. And then, so I started the VA Academy and ako si Joe sa Felix pumunta and which is a good thing kasi meron din isa na pumunta si Chidi. I referred him to Ed and then biglang ayun, nakuha rin siya ng client, which like, wow, okay. So, which is good. And then also, like, ayun nga, back to the story na, to stand out among the rest. Like, I got to show something. Kasi, like, ang hirap to be an internet, to, get into the workforce. So, I literally carried this around. Like, literally carried this big thing, this portfolio.
Nice.
Like, I go to, like, the street and everything I literally have that and go and walk in. And then, yung iba talaga nagugulat. Tapos, minsan, one time, instead na i-employ nila ako, like, one time, may nagsabi na parang gusto na ako na as the agency. Kaso, parang hindi ko naman sila type kasi wala akong experience sa hospitality industry. So parang kaya every time na dumaan ako sa coffee shop, parang, hi, gano'n. Pero buti na lang at nagkaroon ako ng experience like sa writing. Ito yung kung naalala, the first book na client 2023 na I was part of, and it literally kind of like helped me to like produce like 5 books. I literally produced that in May. So it's like ito yung mga libro ni one, and then the other one, okay. And then Ambition in the Human Factor, the AI Era. And then this one is going to be released next year, early part of next year. So 5 books plus I've got a whole lot, and then I've got also like a client, a part-time job like this book. So it's like literally kaya nga kasi I started SEO. To connect that, I started SEO writing because I wanted to be a writer, but then I cannot monetize it if I just write from my feelings. Like, sino ba ako makikinig, di ba? parang ewan ako kung magsusulat lang ako ng feelings ko, opinion ko, di ba? So, ayun, I started SEO writing, but then to be able to produce, but at the back of my mind, be able to produce, these books and finally, like, to have these, in my hand, and also like the other job as well. I got to exhibit in the ICC, which is kind of like the MOA event center thing, like super big here sa city, International Convention Center. So nakapag like the company entrusted me to like do the exhibition thing. So ayun, so like that's like the whole 2024. Like I would not imagine it na parang shops. Andito na ako sa ICC shops. Work ako sa city shops, like those things na, and hindi ko rin ma-imagine na sarili ko, like, to be able to be in the workforce, to, get up at 7:30 or earlier kasi may mga clients. So, yun nga yung word of the year last year, na accountability. I really have to be accountable kasi like I need to wake up 5:30 or 6 a.m. to still to accommodate clients, and then go to the job at like 9 a.m. And then so it's so accountability is really the word of the year. So I've got the 3 lessons that I have. It's in a yellow sticky note. And then also like first time ko rin na parang to refund somebody na hindi ko talaga like sabi natatakot ako kasi like ewan ko, like the first time that to refund, like sobrang takot talaga ako. So but then it's a business. People do refunds every time. So it's like okay. So it's like that was first time. And so ayun nga, number 1, the lessons would be step into your gifting. Like my gifting is really in the creative side and to organize it, to be efficient. Like everyone tells you, if everyone tells you that you're good at this, you're really good, you're really creative, you're really good in organizing, you're really efficient, then that's who you are. You don't need to like doubt yourself. You don't need to like be it self-doubt, like it's not good enough or it's not working. But everyone is saying that, so you just need to like, like you just need to say that to yourself, and say it in front of the mirror na, kaya ko to. Like, sinasabi nila. Like, it's only you who are stopping yourself. So, that's like the first lesson. So, and then, number 2 is your gift will make room for you once you realize that, and once you've counter it up, once you stop the self-doubt, you know that when you walk into an opportunity, if that door closes, then that another door will open. If the another door closes, then that window will open. Like, ang daming butas. If that window and door closes, then the roof will open. Like, if you just need to like do, and your gift will make room for you. And then the third thing would be don't let your past hurts ruin your present. So say for example, like for me, takot ako to do calls, like especially if it's audio, like kasi diba, like from the past heard na parang may phone call ako from my mother back then na sinisigawan ako. Like, sobrang, saan ka na? Yung ganon. Saan ka na? Umuwi ka na? Ganyan kayo kaya. So, like, doon talaga yung, like, grade 3 pa na, doon talaga na-mold yung takot ko sa phone. So, but then the other job ko, I need to, like, take calls on the end. So, like, I wouldn't let my past hurts ruin this job, this opportunity because of my past hurt. Like no. So those 3 things, and so step into your gifting, and then your gift will make room for you, and then once you find that opportunity, then don't let your past hurts ruin your present. So that's all. That's all from this piece of paper.
Yes, thank you so much. Gusto ko yung may mga may mga summary. Ay, mga visual aids din. Ayan. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Lance. And yeah, I've one of the people na I think nag-witness ng yung journey ni Donna, and I'm thankful na nag-share siya sa akin every now and then what happened to her. So super proud. I never doubted her. Alam mo yun, minsan magtatanong siya sa akin. Minsan sasagot lang ako, pero I know na she knows okay what to do with it. Okay? I know she knows. She just needs like a re-echo lang. So yeah, diba? So yeah, never doubted what you can do. So super proud of you, Dons. And like ang ganda ng sinabi na first na yung mag-work ka sa gifting mo. What is your gift Kasi like sabi nila, nakalimutan ko sino nagsabi sa akin, but there's this like may nagsabi sa akin na one of the things na para malaman mo, one of the ways daw na malalaman mo saan ka magaling is just try to ano yung sinasabi lagi sa'yo or ano yung tinatanong sa'yo. Diba? Kunwari, nagtatanong lagi sa'yo about sa social media. Nagtatanong lagi sa'yo about sa website. Nagtatanong lagi sa'yo about sa photography. So, alam mo magaling ka dun. So, paniwalaan mo yun. Kasi naniniwala sila But ikaw hindi ka maniwala. Diba? Exactly. So, malalaman mo saan ka magaling kung ano lagi yung tinatanong sa'yo. Parang ganun. Paano kung tinatanong sa'yo, pautang, Mars, pautang, joke lang. Joke lang. Ibig sabihin, marami kang pera, marami kang dagating. Anyway, like, kidding aside, but you get what I mean, guys, diba? Does that make sense? Na, kung naniniwala yung iba tao sa'yo, maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Diba? And probably that's your gift, but that's your skill. Diba? And you just try to use that one. So thank you so much, Don, sa inspiring, looking forward to 2025. Ano pang convention yung malalunch mo? Baka mamaya andito ka na sa, nag-fly ka na overseas, diba? Kung ano-anong mga events nyo. So, yeah, exactly. So, looking forward sa, progress mo. Please keep in touch, as you always do. And we're rooting for you. Okay? Ayun. So, guys, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating mga one word, so bibigyan tayo ng entertainment ni Felix. One for the road. Okay? Para makapag-isip-isip kayo ng one word nyo, then mabilisan lang bakit yan yung one word nyo for 2025. Okay? Before we end this program. Alright, Felix?
For that, yung nakita ko kanina kay Don, meron siyang, that's, yung may, parang, yung pinapakita ka doon sa mga people.
Yung books. Is it?
No, the other one, on your left side yata.
Portfolio.
Yeah, ganyan ako. Actually,
yung physical portfolio, oo.
Yeah, nung nag-freelance ako, ganyan ako. Dito sa Pilipinas.
Nag-print din ako ng maliliit, as in na A3. Tapos iniiwan ko. Tapos sabi nila, no, you can, I'll give it back to you. And then, gusto kunin na lang nila daw sa ang loob. No, you can have that. Sana naman may mabunga ito. Pero may nabunga na.
Yeah.
Meron yan. Diyan ako nakasurvive.
Yan nga, may nabunga.
Diba?
Yeah.
That's good. I mean, like, guys, ipakita nyo anong kaya nyo. Diba?
Oo.
Kasi getting a job actually is a matter of convincing the other end. It's not how good you are. It's how, or yung merit mo or credentials mo, pero how convincing you are. Which is, I think, yun yung nagawa ni Don. Very convincing yung ginagawa niya. Diba? Right? All right. Diba? Thanks.
Simpleng portfolio yan, pero for some companies na nag-work ako as a freelancer, nabit-bit yan para i-market yung na, it takes a fortune. Parang million ng ang balik.
Yeah. True.
Ayun.
Yeah.
So, for this performance, kailangan ko kasi ng kasama dito Gusto kong maramdaman ninyo to. Doon sa mga luma, doon sa mga bago, ninyo maintindihan kasi mga bata pa kayo. Pero doon sa mga luma, maintindihan nila.
Nako, ikaw ata ang tinatawag, sino ba? Joke lang. Nasa bago ako Nasa bago ako.
Nasa bago ka ba? Ganun.
Wala kasi si Ed Sayang, wala si Ed.
Ito, sige.
You queen of butterfly, butterfly.
And that song is from our two-time Grammy nominee, Donna Faye, who's actually with us.
Grabe. International.
So guys,
Alam ko
it's a
naman
recording
si
talaga ni
Felix.
Donna, di ba guys? Binili ko yun sa iTunes, ha?
Nag-log in ako sa account, tapos
Yeah.
meron akong GBP $1.85 na
Ano ba?
earnings.
Ano ba?
Ay, $1. £1. £1 and
Nice.
85.
Going international, ah.
Di ba? Oh.
Diba talaga?
Diba? So, kailangan mo na si reprise with the rap na from Kilo.
Uy, grabe.
Freeze
Diba?
freezer phone.
Diba?
I-cover na natin yung four nervous system sympathetic
Ayun.
states.
Kasi sabi ko parang gusto ko lang maalala yung nakaraan.
Wow.
Nga eh.
Yes.
Nakakatawa si Felix. Akala ko naman kung Thanks you for that,
Akala
Felix,
ko
no?
pa din.
Hindi ko naisip yun, ha?
Akala ko may
Yeah.
sa field.
All right. So guys, before we close this program, thank you so much sa inyo. So now we go to our one word for 2025. So sa mga bago dito, which is umalis. So what is one word for 2025? Every year we set one word, then we reflect on it. We use it as a motivation for our upcoming year. All right. So share your one word quickly lang and bakit yun ang one word mo. Ganun lang. So so let's start with, I think sino bang ready? I think Ivy, are you ready for your one word? So dito tayo mag-start sa baba. Hindi pa? Okay, let's start with Jules. Jules, are you ready for your one word for 2025?
Mine would be fulfillment,
Mm.
just in the sense that I hope 2025 for me would overall be happy, and at the same time, it's fulfilling in the sense that I have completed what I hope to achieve by next year. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. So that's really straightforward. Thank you for that, Jules. So sulat natin. Jules is fulfillment. Fulfillment. Okay, Sab, what's yours?
So for me naman, it's not work or career or related, but more of outside of that, parang life related. It's live. Kasi job, yung career natin will always be a priority, pero it's also important to live life, be present, like I want to live more, like meet new people, connect with them, ganyan, and the likes. Ayun lang.
Yeah, that it has to be healthy. Okay,
Yeah.
since na-conquer mo na yung work mo this 2024, why not conquer naman yung other side ng life mo? Kasi hindi pwede na. Yeah, exactly. Masa-sacrifice mo yung isa. It has to be, hanap ka lang ng timing. Parang ganun. All right, Ivy, what's yours? What's your one word for 2025?
My word for 2025 would be execution. I want to make my plans into action kaysa maisip-isip ko lang na sayang naman, hindi tawa, ganun. I want to be a missed moment.
That's true. Yeah. Parang hindi na lang siya parang, sana ginawa ko yun, di ba? Parang ganun. So, whatever you're thinking, try to execute it. Kasi there's words, are better than words talaga. Action is better than words. Tama ba? Oh, parang ganun. Yes, sige, execute si Ivy. Ganun. Alright, so si Felix, what's your one word for 2025?
Is my mic on?
Yes.
Yep. The word will be maintain.
Ah, good.
I figured out kasi, di ba parang nagpo-pursue ka ng ganito, ng ganyan, pero akin parang na-hit ko na siya, pero gusto ko na lang siyang i-maintain. Kasi if I go back to your word, that Felix, pag bago na something change in your life, yun na yun. Di ba? Yun yung result. So, nakita ko na siya ang hindi mo naturo sa akin, paano siya i-maintain, ang hirap pala. Yun lang.
So yun na yun, hindi na sa akin yun.
The first time we met, diba, alam mo naman yung sitwasyon ng buhay ko.
Yeah.
Ngayon, ang hirap siya i-maintain, yung nagbago yung lifestyle to maintain yung 50K a month.
But look how far you've come. How far you've come, diba? I could always remember yung interview natin na patay-patay pa yung, yung monitors mo, diba? Wala siya ng pawala. Diba?
Nasusunog yung GPU.
Exactly.
Grabe.
Hindi kinakaya yung dyan si Leo, humabol. Hindi kinakaya yung
I don't know if wait. This is the changes. I'm not bragging, pero
sharing the progress para ma-inspiring everyone.
Nagturuan mo ako. I'm just wait here. I think if you can see, I just bought keyboard that I'd like.
Prepared
developer talaga eh.
May alnik.
Ala ko.
Very ergonomic.
Hindi ko siya mapugsan kasi nakasid ako, Mariosep.
Sarap na
Ang ergonomic ng
Hindi ma-strain.
And programmable siya. It composed of parang equivalent siya sa 15 keyboard if I'm going to program. Kaso ang kaya lang ng utak ko hanggang 4. So ayun yung yung simple word mo na naging basis ko why I'm here. 'Di ba kahit nung wala ka, I'm still using it. Pinapakiramdaman ko na may nagbabago ba? Ano ba? Yung bill namin, nagbago. Ganun.
Yung bill na babayaran. O, diba?
Ayun. Tapos yan, yung when we talked before, naka-window type lang siya. Tapos ngayon, naka-tour ako, split type dito. Walang patayan na, grabe. Ganun yung word mo, na nadala ko, ginamit ko siya. Kaya ang word ko ngayon is maintain kasi pag nabago pala yung lifestyle mo, yung paano siya maintain, mahirap. Pag mag-step ka pa ng isa pa, another na naman, so napapagod na ako. Sabi ko, muna. Pwede ba maintain ka lang muna dito kasi nakakapagod sobra.
That's good to know. So, one word to Felix, maintain. Yeah, super proud of you, Felix, no? You never gave up. Tapos, kitang-kita talaga yung progress mo from 2021 until now, yung first time nagkita. And I'm happy na sinishare mo lagi yung progress mo sa akin din. And I'm happy na whatever na sinasabi ko sa'yo na bibigyan ka ng guidance or ganun pala ka-powerful mga pinagsasabi ko. Kailangan ko siguro magtayo ng kulto. Joke lang. Ayun. So, I'm happy, guys, no? Kasi minsan, kung yung tinanong nyo, sasagot ko lang. Ganun lang siya ka-basic. Sasagot ko lang talaga anong tanong nyo. So, I'm happy na may nangyayari pala sa mga sinishare ko sa inyo.
Nabasa yata ko, I heard something na motivational. Na yung words pala, very powerful.
Yeah, it is.
If you listen to it. That's why namimili nga ako ng mga kaibigan na. Tapos I turned off my social media talaga.
Manage.
Ikaw yata yung nagbigay nun, Eradicator? Until now.
Newsfeed Eradicator. Yeah. Yeah. So, Newsfeed Eradicator, guys, kung may nagtatrabaho kayo, on nyo yun para mabablock yung social media.
Nagtatrabaho ka sa social media.
Actually, that's the thing. Yeah. So, management na yan. So, time management na yan. Diba? Yeah. Ayan. So, So, next, Donna, what's your one word?
Ay, ako na pa. Balance.
Wow.
Probably in everything. Like, spiritually, emotionally, financially, career, professionally, relationship, family, and everything. Like, so, I just wanted to balance. Need a full work there. And then the food as well, like, not much sugar and not much carbs because I feel like nag-i-inflame ako sa carbs. Ang weird talaga. Like, hindi ako allergic sa white rice ng Pinas. Pero pag dito, na-allergic ako ng white rice.
Malamig na daw kasi.
No, I could relate to that. Not so rice, kasi hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa rice. But to other food here, like for example, tropical fruits, super allergic ako dito. Pero pag kumain ako sa Asia, hindi. That's
Oo,
true.
may something. May something talaga. Kaya yung white rice na Jasmine, hindi ko na carry. Basmati na lang kaya ko. Pag
Sarap yung basmati. Oo.
Yun. So, ayun, balance.
Okay. Try to put a balance to everything, which is good. Which is a very,
sa akin.
Oo. Dapat gawin natin yung lahat actually. Hindi lang sa Donna. We have to if we try to put balance sa lahat. Kung sumobra kasi, di ba? Delikado. All right. So, balance kay Donna. Kilo, what's your one word?
Yes, my one word is ignite. Yeah.
Yan mga gusto ko eh. No?
Yun siya.
Passionate.
Yes. Ano siya, pagka dalawa yung meaning niya, ignite, kasi parang, andyan na yung passion, andyan na yung start. So talagang, ano siya, push through na talaga. And also yung ignite, yung syempre pag may fire na, ready to burn those excesses. So, ganyan. So, yung mga hindi kailangan. So, ayun siya. Ignite.
Ignite. So, yeah, yun na talaga. Whatever there is, ipapa-ignite na. Huwag mo na itago. Yeah. Okay? Lumiliyab, kumbaga.
Yes.
Yeah, nandyan ka na eh. Kumbaga, nabasa ka na. May naulanan ka na, maligo ka na. Okay? Do it. All right, Jerome. Parang na-share mo na kanina yung one word mo. Ulitin mo na lang.
Yeah, elaborate ka na lang. Yeah, yung for my word for this next year is connect. So, parang siya, sequel ng Discover this 2024 na na-discover ko may mga talent pala ako. And yun nga, na sinabi, believing in yourself. Ayun, gusto kong kumonect sa ibang artists or people, connecting in a nice way, yun. Na, yun, mag-grow pa this year. Na, yun, yung connection with the people, collaboration, kasi naniniwala ako na mababaliwala yung, or mahirap ibenta yung sarili mo if hindi ka makikipag-connect sa iba. Or building a community. Kung nag-iisa ka lang, well, kaya mo yung kung strong person ka. Pero knowing me, di ako strong person, honestly. Pero yun, once na may connect na mga friends and like you, na nagkakaroon ako ng a boost of self-confidence. Yun. Connection. Then yun, yung to answer Sir Felix, but yung secret, yun, umiwas lang din ako sa sugar, saka mga carbs. Yun, malaking bagay. Tapos, yun nga, keep on, yung sabi nga kanina ni Job, keep on learning. So, keep the consistency lang na exercise or hindi ka walking. Yun. Malaking bagay yun, sir.
Yeah.
Magulat ka. Magkakaroon ka ng result and it will give you a boost in confidence. Kasi tutuloy-tuloy nyo na po siya. So, mapapansin nyo po na, yun, nag-lose na ako ng weight. Kasi yung mga dati nyo po mga damit, may sasuot nyo na po, tipid pa.
Diba? Nakaka-addict yung results. Promise.
Nakaka-addict. At nakaka-tipid. Yun lang po.
Yes, of course. Yes, Dance?
Masegue lang. Kasi dito, pag malaki yung size mo, mas mahal.
Yeah.
So,
may additional fabric eh. It makes sense.
$79.
So, nalaman yun, no?
So, mas nakakatipid ka. Yeah, that's true. So, Jerome is connect. So, Ivy, what's yours? Go lang, Ivy, ha? Okay, ano yung
execute.
Yeah, execute. So, who's next? Sino pa? Si Jero. Si Jero. Ano yung one word mo, Jero? For next year? Nandiyan ka ba, Jero? Jero. Si Leo. Hey, Leo. Can you hear us? Welcome back. Leo, do you have a one word for next year? Do you want to share?
Hi everyone. Sorry.
Buti humabol ka.
Habol. Wala po nga, hindi pa ako decided sa word.
It's okay. Sige. If you don't have pa, you can share na lang sa group chat. Okay, para ma-record lang natin. Okay, so guys, no pressure. If you don't have your one word yet, i-share na lang natin later sa group chat. But I think almost covered na. So ako na lang, no?
Yes.
So my one word is actually gagayahin ko konti yung kay Kilo. Kasi ignite yung kanya. Sa akin, reignite.
Wow.
Reignite sa akin. Kasi like, what I did for the 2 years is for my health. So I think right now, I'm not like fully recovered, but at least may konting energy. So I want to reignite that passion again and to tap into yung mga passions ko na put ko into halt because of, prioritizing my health. So yan, reignite lang. Diba, Kilo? So, ignite ka, reignite ako.
Yes.
Alright.
Ano ba nag-share ka na lang, life something?
Wow.
Ano pa bang life lesson? Dami ko. Life lesson ko, doon na lang sa ko, may year-end message ako. Parang life lesson na rin yun. Okay? Yung year-end message ko. Alright? So, sige. So, guys, medyo matagal na tayo. Chismoso talaga yung mga tiga A&D. Okay, to wrap this up, again, please prepare your glasses and I'll just share yung the usual year-end message na sinasabi. Diba? Speech natin. Okay, maganda na maigsi this time. Tapos, can I trust anybody of you to take a screenshot na lang? If we raise our glass, kung kaya nyo. If not, sige lang, screen cap na lang natin later. Alright? So, and then after that, Jerome will say the closing prayers, Jerome, and we're off. Okay? To a good night. So, alam mo kaya na sound, guys. Alright. So, this is my year-end message to you guys for 2024. So, ang title nun is A Reflection on Growth, Gratitude, and Resilience. So, hello, everyone. Hi. So, as we close another year, I want to pause and reflect on something simple but powerful: progress. Okay, this year has been a personal journey for me. I had to step away for a while to attend to my spinal injury. So yun yung life lesson, Felix. I didn't show up perfectly, and I know I've been on hiatus, but I want to thank you for sticking around, for believing in this community, and for believing in yourselves. So whether you're a freelancer, a creative, or someone building your own path, progress isn't always loud or visible. Sometimes it's quiet, like showing up consistently when no one's watching, landing one small project, or simply choosing to keep going when life feels tough. This year, I've learned that small steps count. So you might not feel it daily, but every small effort you make adds up to something bigger than you think. I may not be perfect for you guys, and I don't promise to be. Perfect is boring. But I know this. Every lesson we've shared in Article and Design will stay forever. It's yours to carry forward and build on as we take on whatever comes next. So as we look to 2025, I hope you remember this. Your work matters. What you do matters. Your progress matters. Even when the journey is imperfect, every step forward is worth celebrating. Thank you for being here, for showing up for yourself, and for being part of this community. Let's keep learning, growing, and supporting each other as we move into the next chapter. Here's to you, to us, and to a meaningful 2025. Cheers, everyone! Cheers! Take a screenshot.
I can take a screenshot.
Alright, so thank you so much, guys. So, okay ba kayo sa speech ko? Medyo magising ngayon, no? Anyways, to those who wanted to review this, i-upload siya sa YouTube. Okay?
Wow!
So, I'll share a screen. I'll share the link if na-upload na siya. It's like 2 hours, diba? So, matagal-tagal. Alright. So, Jerome, take over. Have a closing prayer, and we're off for a good night. Sige. Go ahead, Jerome.
Let's put our presence in a prayer position, and thank you for our eventual meeting for today that has been concluded, that this catch-up is truly a blessing for us. May we receive the things we are seeking this upcoming year tenfold. May our prosperous mind start off our insecurities and fears. Thank you for the gift of this community, and will continue to grow in 2025. May we ask your infinite wisdom to come out upon us. Amen.
Amen.
Amen and amen.
Amen.
Good night. Thank you so much, everyone. So have a good night. Kasi alas 12 pasado na sa amin ni Donna. So, yeah. Congrats, bro. So have a good night, guys. And let's keep So let's keep in touch with chat sa mga sa mga may bago pa ba dito. And then sa mga bago dito, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, the newsletter will come back 25th sa January. I'm gonna write again. So just subscribe there if you want to receive yung mga whatever thoughts na meron ako that could help you earn more money. Okay? So we're focusing on reigniting this time. Diba, Kilo?
Yes.
So we're focusing on reigniting. So to those who haven't shared their one word, chat nyo na lang sa atin para ma-record natin. Okay? So Felix, thank you so much sa iyong pag-entertain. Thank you sa dinala mo si Kala Lily na Miss ni Leo. Sa aming special guest natin. Thank you so much. Thank you sa asawa mo din sa supporta niya. And thank you everyone for letting me be part of your lives. Okay? Wala kayong idea na how thankful I am. Pag nag-share kayo whatever progress you have, just, dropping by, whatever. It means so much to me, honestly. Okay? So, joke lang.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with the community, and malay nyo ano mangyayari sa atin sa 2025. So, mom's the words na lang. Okay? Surprise, surprise. Alright, so see you in 2025. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye guys. Merry Christmas.
Bye,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye na, Felix. Thank you, Felix. Thank you so much talaga.